Okay, so we got Mitsubishi Outlander 2003. There's that's my OBD connector. I've moved it to there. Okay, this goes to this adapter from Antero in Canada. And I've got the OBD Link MX, which is running. Okay, so now we go to the car scanner. Well, I'll just connect. Okay, let's connect. Oh, didn't have the ignition switch on. Okay, we've got a successful. Yes. Okay, we're connected. Dashboard. Nothing happening. I'll turn it on. RPM's not working. Let's go back. No RPM. Why is that working? Okay. Oh, the RPM's not reading. Oh, there it is. Now we got it. Okay. Mass airflow rate. So I'm interested. Right. Okay. Let's go work. And so back. Oh, right, okay. Oh, shit. Huh? Okay, we've got RPM. Everything's okay. Okay. Let's go to diagnostic. So I don't think any of these will work, but we'll try engine. Read. Okay, you want to get. Okay, so it's not finding any at the moment. Let's clear that off. Alright. So let's go to live data. is the massive flow rate. That's the scale on the left. Alright, that'll do. Focus. So we're idle. We're getting 4.3 grams per second. Alright, that'll do. Let's go back. Disconnect. Okay. The anti-lock.